Hello, I'm Mark Lohman, a member of Neolife's Scientific Advisory Board, and in this video we're going to talk about how Neolife products can help us overcome some of the common digestive challenges. Now, the great thing about the Neolife products that we will be discussing is that they work hand in hand with the holistic approaches to digestive health that we discussed in our last video. So let's go over those symptoms of digestive problems one more time. So, heartburn, upset stomach, flatulence, bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. These symptoms can occur in varying intensities, from bothersome to oppressive, and are the body's way of letting us know that something is going on in our digestive tract that needs attention. Something is causing the digestive tract to rebel. For the most part, people do not necessarily investigate what might be causing the symptoms, but jump right into trying to treat them. That's understandable, especially when the symptoms can be very uncomfortable, and this has expanded the market for over-the-counter digestive aids into the billions of dollars. While they do work to address the symptoms of digestive troubles, they tend to be a temporary fix. So let's look at the 6 common digestive health challenges that make us experience these uncomfortable feelings, and at the same time, let's look at the Neolife product solutions to these challenges that will help us to take control of our digestive health. These Neolife solutions are safe and gentle digestive supplements that are formulated to support natural digestive health. Now, the first challenge is too little hydrochloric acid production in the stomach, also known as hypochlorhydria. This is a common cause of indigestion, more common in fact than too much acid. At around age 30, the stomach may begin to secrete less hydrochloric acid. Remember that we talked about the importance of stomach acid in denaturing proteins and the acidic breakdown of foods for digestion. However, overeating, excessive alcohol consumption, and the overuse of antacids can also dilute and reduce the amount of stomach acid available for digestion. There are several nutrients that need an acidic environment in the stomach to be absorbed properly, such as vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and magnesium. So even if you are consuming a diet that is rich in nutrients, incomplete digestion from low stomach acid can contribute to nutrient deficiency, resulting in wasted nutrients, stomach discomfort, and even medical problems. The Neolife solution to this challenge is Beta-Gest Digestive Aid, stomach-targeted, naturally sourced digestive supplementation. Beta-Gest is formulated with betaine hydrochloride, which is a controlled release type of hydrochloric acid so needed by people with low stomach acid production. This is going to help relieve those uncomfortable and painful feelings of indigestion and maximize the digestion and absorption of nutrients from food. I said stomach targeted, so the acid is going to start releasing in the stomach, not in the mouth or esophagus. In addition, Beta-Gest also delivers acid-stable proteases that are totally plant-sourced, so this is going to improve protein digestion. And on top of that, Beta-Gest also delivers lactase enzyme needed for the digestion of lactose, and I'll talk more on that in a moment. Beta-Gest represents a complete formula of betaine hydrochloride and plant-based digestive enzymes that support the body's normal digestion, and it is in a base of licorice root, lemon, and dried beets that are known to be supportive of healthy digestion. What is really great about Beta-Gest is that it addresses the causes of indigestion that we talked about, not just the symptoms. That is so important to address the root causes and not just cover up the symptoms. And on top of that, Beta-Gest is also non-habit forming. The second challenge to our digestive health is reduced or overburdened digestive enzyme supplies. It is not uncommon for our body to produce lower amounts of digestive enzymes as we age. Remember that these enzymes are crucial to the proper digestion of foods we eat and the subsequent availability and absorption of nutrients released from our food. A reduced level of digestive enzymes in the body means less nutrition extracted and made available. In addition, there can be times where we overindulge in the wrong kinds of foods, and this may overburden the capacity of limited supply of digestive enzymes to break down the food into simpler components. Overindulging in alcohol can negatively affect the pancreas, causing it to inflame, which is very painful, and to reduce the production of digestive enzymes. Low enzyme supply, again, can result in those uncomfortable and painful symptoms of indigestion. Neolife meets this challenge with intestine-targeted enzyme digestive aid. This product is formulated with high-potency plant-derived protease for protein digestion, amylase for carbohydrate digestion, and lipase for fat digestion. In addition, there are also biosalts and dehydrochloric acid that work along with the lipase to digest fats. Neolife employs a unique targeted delivery technology in the form of a special enteric coating that protects the ingredients from the highly acidic stomach environment and only allows them to be released in the intestines. Remember that the pancreatic enzymes and biosalts from the liver are naturally delivered to the small intestine. So it makes sense that Neolife would develop enzyme digestive aid to release its enzymes and biosalts to the small intestine, where these compounds can optimally support the digestive process and help maximize nutrient availability and absorption. Enzyme digestive aid's action is to naturally support digestion and to help alleviate the uncomfortable and distressful symptoms of indigestion. It does this again by addressing causes of intestinal indigestion and not just the symptoms. And just like Betagest, enzyme digestive aid is non-habit forming. It's really a well thought out formula. And now for the third challenge to digestive health, which is the production of too little lactase. Lactose is a sugar that is found in milk and dairy products. It is a disaccharide that is made up of the monosaccharides glucose and galactose. Lactase is the enzyme produced in the small intestine that is responsible for breaking lactose into its two constituent monosaccharides that are then absorbed. Aging is a big reason for the drop-off in lactose production, which makes sense. As infants, we survived on milk, and as we get older, there is less of a reliance on milk for nutrition. Some people are genetically predisposed to low production of lactase after infancy, and this is especially true with people with African, Asian, or Hispanic ancestry. Insufficient lactase may result in lactose malabsorption, also referred to as lactose intolerance. With insufficient amounts of lactase, lactose in your food moves into the colon instead of being digested and absorbed. In the colon, gut bacteria interact with undigested lactose, causing the signs and symptoms of lactose intolerance, which include nausea, abdominal pain, bloating, flatulence, and diarrhea. And I can tell you these symptoms are really not fun to deal with. And the degree of the severity of these symptoms depends on how much lactose is consumed and the degree of lactase insufficiency. The Neolife solution is our old friend Betagest with its plant-derived lactase that goes right to work to support the breakdown of lactose before it enters the colon, so you can avoid those feelings of lactose malabsorption. And to make it easier to support your digestion, Neolife has put Betagest and enzyme digestive aid together in Betazyme packets for a 1-2 punch that provides effective support to stomach and intestinal digestion. These two Neolife digestive aids and Betazyme work together to attack the cause of digestive discomfort and not just the symptoms. The fourth challenge to our digestive health is having an unbalanced intestinal microbiome. We talked earlier about the importance of having a healthy, viable population of beneficial gut bacteria. There are over 500 different types of bacteria in the human gastrointestinal tract, and some are good or beneficial, and some are bad or pathogenic. As we discussed, we need a good population of beneficial bacteria to aid in digestion and to keep our digestive tracts healthy. Unfortunately, beneficial bacteria populations can be negatively affected by poor food choices, the use of antibiotics, and other medicines, stress, and poor health. When the pathogenic bacteria take over, they can wreak havoc on the digestive system, resulting in digestive discomfort or even more serious problems. Neolife's product solution to this challenge is Acidophilus Plus, a comprehensive probiotic product that combines potency with technology to guarantee that live probiotic organisms survive the highly acidic environment of the stomach to reach the intestines, where they can support optimal functioning of the digestive tract. Just as an aside, the World Health Organization's definition of a probiotic is live microorganisms which, administered in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. Neolife's Acidophilus Plus delivers 5 billion live microorganisms and a unique combination of 5 different strains to the intestines to support natural digestive tract harmony, comfort, and efficiency. The bacterial strains in Acidophilus Plus have been shown to regulate intestinal function by inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria and supporting the increased population of beneficial bacteria. They do this by producing lactic acid as a digestive byproduct, which creates an environment in the intestines which is slightly acidic, where pathogenic bacteria cannot grow. The probiotic strains in Acidophilus Plus also help to prevent diarrhea by assuring that there is an abundant population of beneficial bacteria so that the pathogenic bacteria cannot overwhelm the digestive tract. In addition, these strains have been shown to positively affect irritable bowel diseases by creating short-chain fatty acids as digestive byproducts that nourish and strengthen the epithelial cells of the large intestine. This helps to create a more harmonious intestinal environment that can reduce the susceptibility to upset that is experienced by those with such gastric sensitivities. Another aspect of the bacterial strains in Acidophilus Plus is the improvement in digestion they promote. I mentioned that these probiotic bacteria produce lactic acid. They do this by producing lactase and transforming sugars in the gut, especially lactose, into lactic acid. When adequate lactase is present and lactose is properly broken down, then lactose intolerance, gas, flatulence, and bloating is minimized. Acidophilus Plus is a special probiotic product that is unique to Neolife. It contains concentrated live active cultures of a proprietary blend of 5 bacterial strains shown to have beneficial effects on digestion and digestive health. And the 5 billion beneficial bacteria in each Acidophilus Plus capsule are whole food derived from cultured dairy foods. These are great product benefits, but they mean nothing if the probiotic bacteria are destroyed in the harsh acidic environment of the stomach and do not reach the intestines where they provide these benefits. This is what makes Acidophilus Plus truly special and unique. Neolife's exclusive gel guard protection, which is one of the targeted delivery technologies that Neolife employs to assure that the beneficial bacteria survive the stomach and reach the lower intestine. This is really unique because the gel guard technology is inside the Acidophilus Plus capsule, not a coating. Instead, the proprietary technology unique to Neolife is intimately tied to the probiotic bacteria inside the capsule, protecting them against stomach acid and releasing them as live active cultures in high potency to the lower intestine. Once in the lower intestines, the probiotics go to work supporting digestion and releasing compounds that support digestive health and harmony. This is a great product that truly combines potency with technology in a way unique to Neolife. Now we're going to discuss the 5th challenge to our digestive health, and that is too little fiber in our diet. The typical Western diet of processed foods is very low in fiber. Very few people consume the 20 to 35 grams of dietary fiber per day that is recommended by the National Cancer Institute. In fact, on average, people only consume about 12 grams of fiber a day, so there's a real big fiber gap. A diet rich in fiber helps to keep intestinal functioning smooth and regular, and it supports optimal health. Dietary fiber does this by holding water in the gastrointestinal tract and by increasing the bulk of intestinal contents. This speeds their transit through the intestines and increases the frequency of elimination. This function of fiber in the diet helps to address constipation, irregularity, and the discomfort that comes from that bloated feeling. Fiber can also bind cholesterol in the intestines and carry it out of the body, and a good amount of fiber in the diet can give a feeling of fullness that can be a helpful remedy to overeating. In addition, something that we discussed previously, dietary fiber supports beneficial bacteria in the gut, which in turn help to support our gastrointestinal health in particular, and overall health and wellness in general. Studies have shown that populations consuming high fiber diets have lower incidences of various intestinal disorders like diverticulitis, polyps, colitis, hemorrhoids, and certain cancers. So it is very important to consume the fiber that the National Cancer Institute recommends. In fact, scientific research has shown that diets low in saturated fat and cholesterol and high in fruits and vegetable and grain products containing fiber that may reduce the risk of certain forms of cancer, a disease associated with many factors, reduce your risk of heart disease, also a disease associated with many factors, by helping to lower blood cholesterol, and help to regulate blood sugar, and help to control weight gain by promoting satiety. But it can be very difficult to consume enough fiber in a Western-type diet. Food processing removes a lot of the fiber that we might normally get in a fresh food diet. Thankfully, Neolife has the perfect solution to this low-fiber challenge, and that is all-natural fiber food and drink mix. All-natural fiber is a complete, concentrated, and convenient source of whole food-based dietary fiber. I said complete because it contains fiber from a variety of fruits and vegetables and whole oats. It supplies both soluble and insoluble fibers in the form of all 5 types of dietary fiber that are necessary for good health: cellulose, hemicellulose, gum, lignin, and pectin. We need both soluble and insoluble fiber in our diets to maintain good digestive health, because soluble fiber is that water-attracting fiber, and insoluble fiber is the bulking fiber that helps food pass more quickly through the stomach and intestines. Neolife's all-natural fiber also contains the exclusive Neopoly5 blend of soy polysaccharide with specially selected whole oat fiber and acerola cherry that works to absorb cholesterol and carry it out of the body. On top of all that, the dietary fiber in all-natural fiber supports the population of beneficial bacteria in our intestines, which further supports digestive health, as we have discussed previously. Neolife's all-natural fiber is rich in fiber, low in fat, a balanced source of soluble and insoluble fiber from whole food sources, and it contains Neolife's exclusive Poly5 blend. It really is the perfect solution to getting fiber into your diet. Now, I had mentioned elimination, so I want to talk a few minutes about that process. Proper and regular elimination of waste is very important, because this is a way of removing toxins and other harmful substances from our gastrointestinal tract. Sometimes, due to less than proper food choices, like low fiber diets that we just talked about, or consuming too little water, or even stress, can lead to irregular elimination or even constipation. Neolife's Neolax is a unique combination of herbal ingredients that are proven to provide support for occasional bouts of constipation. The Neolax formula uses our unique complete family approach to provide a comprehensive selection of botanicals. This approach results in a combination of botanical ingredients that work together synergistically to optimize their functionalities, and in this case, to support healthy elimination. The botanicals in Neolax work naturally and gently together to support calm digestive tract functioning. For example, senna encourages softening of the stool and natural peristaltic movement of the colon. Buckthorn bark also assists in softening the stool, and licorice root helps add moisture to the stool and helps soothe tissues in the digestive tract. These three examples illustrate the synergies involved among the botanical ingredients in Neolife, and all the botanical ingredients work in this synergistic fashion to support digestive health. Neolax is a great solution to the occasional challenge of irregularity. It is safe, it works naturally and gently without the side effects associated with drugs, and it is a non-habit forming way to support elimination. And now for the sixth challenge to our optimal digestive health: stress that pushes our digestive tract out of balance. Previously, we discussed the issues that can result from unmanaged stress, sleep disturbances, and gastrointestinal disturbances that we detailed earlier, loss of appetite or overeating, lowered nutritional status, and even eventually certain gastrointestinal diseases and some cancers. So stress needs to be managed. We previously discussed the importance of stress management to digestive health and well-being. Well, Neolife has a fantastic product that works right along with your de-stressing activities, and that is Aloe Vera Plus. Neolife's exclusive Aloe Vera Plus formula was developed to support stress relief, as well as to provide support to the entire digestive system and to support the immune system as well. Aloe Vera Plus has some really special ingredients and a base of aloe vera inner leaf gel. Now, this is a unique ingredient produced using proprietary processes that preserve the healthful benefits of aloe vera. During the harvesting of the aloe vera leaves, this unique procedure is employed so that only the inner gel is removed and used in Aloe Vera Plus. This is very important because it is the inner gel of the aloe vera leaf that has been shown to support gastrointestinal health and proper elimination, and to support the normal inflammatory response. Along with the aloe vera gel, Aloe Vera Plus also contains chamomile and passion flower in Neolife's exclusive herbal tea blend that have been shown to support calmness and relaxation. And the eleuthero ginseng supports energy and vitality. Taking some time to sit and enjoy a glass of Aloe Vera Plus is a great way to naturally de-stress and revitalize and support a calm, balanced digestive tract. Now I'd like to take a minute to talk about another great product from Neolife that provides positive support to our digestive tract, and that's Garlic Allium Complex. This is a unique product that combines extracts and concentrates from not only garlic, but also other members of the allium vegetable family: onion, leek, and chive. So we get a broad spectrum of allium bioactive compounds. Numerous studies have shown that garlic and the other allium vegetables support a healthy immune response and normal cell growth and renewal processes, especially in the gastrointestinal tract. In addition, garlic has been shown to inhibit pathogenic bacteria, fungal, and yeast growth, so it supports a healthy gut microbiome. There are two technologies that Neolife employs in garlic allium complex that I want to point out. First is the unique process to protect the natural enzymes in garlic extract. Allinase is the enzyme in garlic that converts allicin to bioactive allicin. When a garlic bulb is crushed or cut, allinase is released and the conversion of allicin to allicin begins. The problem is allicin needs to be in the intestines as it breaks down very quickly. If the conversion occurs before the garlic reaches the intestine, the allicin breaks down and it's not active. That is why great care is taken and unique processes are used to select, harvest, and prepare garlic extract used in garlic allium complex to protect the allinase enzyme. The second technology is one of Neolife's exclusive targeted delivery technologies to ensure that the important bioactive compounds survive the acidic stomach environment. The bioactive compounds in garlic allium complex do their work in the intestines, and enteric coating technology is used to ensure that active allicin and the other bioactives from allium vegetables are target released in the intestines. These unique and exclusive Neolife technologies ensure that garlic allium complex will deliver a guaranteed high potency of 4,200 milligrams of active allicin to the intestines, where it goes to work to support gastrointestinal health. Neolife scientists have formulated a series of leading-edge products to address these common challenges to our digestive tract. Using the most recent scientific findings and selecting only the finest natural ingredients, the Neolife Scientific Advisory Board has created this line of digestive health products to provide a complete and balanced support for the entire digestive system. To support the natural balance of the digestive tract, Neolife's products provide crucial acids, enzymes, beneficial bacteria, fiber, and other healthful elements. Plant-sourced and naturally derived ingredients work with the body to support and enhance digestion so that you can unlock and release the complete nutrition from the foods you eat. These exclusive Neolife products, along with eating a proper diet, de-stressing, reducing, or avoiding alcohol and tobacco, give you the tools you need to take control and maintain your optimal digestive health. It has been a pleasure and privilege to speak with you about this topic that is so important to all of us. At this point, you should be fully armed to discuss digestive health with anyone and to be able to point out the incredible Neolife products that support a healthy digestive system. Stay healthy, and I will speak with you again soon.